Welcome to AHE 553, Adult Learning and Development. I am excited to have you in the class, and my name is Laura Bomey, and I look forward to being your instructor. This video will be a navigational tour and welcome to the course. And please be sure if you have any questions that you let me know, and I will be happy to answer them. So here we go. When you first log in to your Canvas course, you will see that you land on the home page. Here on the home page, you will find that you have just a brief overview of the course, and here is my contact information. I am more than happy to meet with you during the term. If you want to just email me, that's the best way to get a hold of me, and I'm happy to set up a Zoom time or phone or whatever works for your schedule. When you go into the course, you will see on the home page you have a couple options. One is to go right into the options here on the left, like the module or the syllabus, or you can also use the Start Here at the bottom of the page, and it will take you into the same place you will get for the modules. And what I would like you to do is to make sure you look at each of these Start Here items, specifically the syllabus. And in the syllabus, you're going to see that you have a link here to the hard copy, if you will, of the syllabus. So just click on it and you're going to see that it loads up here for you so you can check out what's coming during the term. So please make sure you take a look. It has the books, and all of our books are e-books, so you do not have to go buy anything. And then if you proceed through, you'll see our learning outcomes for the course, and then the grades and how that will be calculated for assignments. And then again, you'll have references here to the various books that we will use, and then it gets into each week of the course. And we may have some adjustments as we go, as this will be the first time that I've taught this course for you. But it also outlines a few of the papers and presentations. You will have a group presentation, and I'm going to show you that here in a moment. You'll have some papers, and then you'll have some discussion boards. So please be sure that you look thoroughly through the syllabus. When you are done with that, you're going to see my contact information here, plus a bunch of other resources. You will want to become familiar with the APA 7th edition resources because you will be required to use that during the course for the assignments. And we will have some of our sessions where we talk specifically about that. This class is fully online, so each week you will have an announcement that comes out from me, and in those announcements, you will get information from me about what's coming, what's due, etc. And then once you have done the Start Here, you can proceed into week 1. I'm only releasing week 1 right now so that you have a chance to really focus on that. The syllabus will outline future chapters if you finish materials early. Our week will tend to go from like a Sunday through the following Monday. So you will have assignments that will be released on Sundays, and I will send an announcement and or email to you, and then they will be due the following Monday. You will have discussion boards, however, where you will have the initial post that is due by a Friday, and then your follow-up post will be due by Monday. So please make sure you look at the assignments for the due dates. I will do my best to try to make it clear to you. And but for the first week, if you just click under week 1 on the overview, it will provide you a list of everything we're going to be doing, a task list. You're going to be doing an introduction video. You're going to be replying to other students' introduction videos. You're going to be doing the readings. You will be doing what's called a new to me discussion board, which is after you've done the readings, you will say, what did or didn't you know? And then you're going to make sure you do this early on, signing up for the group presentation topic. It's an embedded Google Doc. I would like to ask that you use the honor system and sign up. You will be teamed up with another person and do a presentation on one of our theories that we're learning this term. And then if you want to begin reviewing your textbooks, once you've chosen your theory, you will each do a separate individual paper that will be due in week 3, which will be an adult learning overview paper on the theory of your choice. that you have chosen in this presentation topic sign up so you can become familiar with that particular theory and prepare for the presentation. And then if you can scroll to the bottom and hit next or hit return to modules to go to the next section. This is the introduction of yourself. That's a discussion board, the required readings you will see that are listed here. These are all, as I mentioned, ebooks. This particular one, the Pedagogy of the Oppressed, this is just very short. I want you to get familiar with this. We'll be reading some chapters later in the term. And then this is just an article that you will read. It's relatively short. So please make sure you go and use the search function at the OSU library to find these books. Sometimes these links don't work well out of Canvas. And then again, go back into the module. The new to me discussion, the presentation sign up. If you click on the words group presentation sign up, you will see the instructions. This is just very brief. All you need to do is click on the link here and choose one of the theories. You will see you'll type in your name into one of the theories. Your project will be due in these identified weeks. So make sure you're paying attention to the week that your project is due and pick one that works best for your schedule. And you will be working with another student. More information will be coming out next week, but right now all you need to do is type your name and then you just click the close button right here. So if you want to type it, you would type Laura, make sure you put your full name, and then you just hit close and it will save it. Again, please use the honor system. Do not type somebody over somebody else's name. If there's some challenge with finding a date that works, just work with me and I will work with you and another student if necessary. So thank you for that. And then lastly, make sure that you check everything. And the conclusion just says we'll be moving on to week 2. Week 2 will be open probably midweek. Well, actually probably by the weekend, because this is week 1 is kind of an odd week because it starts in the middle of the week. So it'll be a little bit different. So you don't have a lot of assignments, but week 2 will technically start next week. And so you should expect an email either later in this week or over the weekend that will get you started. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Here's my information and contact right here. And I will look forward to being your instructor and facilitating your learning on this exciting topic. Thank you.